everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you tips and tricks about contouring. So contouring is really very important in our makeup routine, and if you don't have a contour stick or a contour palette, which products you can use in replacement of those products. So this video is going to be all about that. So if you are interested to know what products you can use for your contouring, and how you can contour and what is the importance of contouring in your makeup, so please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So guys, contouring is a step which you have to do while you're doing makeup, especially when you are doing some videos or you are going to some occasions. Those purpose especially you have to do contour to make your face look a little bit better. So what contouring does to your face? So it gives your face a good finish and a nice shape, and especially if you want to cut your face in some portions wherever you need it, you can do it with contour. So suppose you have a large forehead, so you can just contour your forehead and make it look a little bit shorter. It will give a illusion that your forehead is a bit shorter than normal your forehead is. And if you want to cut your cheekbones, you can just contour your face and you will have a good cheekbones and a lifted up look. And you can also contour your jawline, because some girls don't have the sharp jawline but they want to create that. Those who don't want to have that sharp jawline and don't want to contour their forehead or cheekbones or any other part, that's completely okay. But I am talking about those who want to contour their face. And some girls have double chin, so you can also contour your double chin and make it look a little bit invisible. It will not completely vanish, but it will give an illusion that you don't have double chin, or it will give you a illusion that you have a sharp jawline. So in those purpose, contouring is really very important for your makeup. If some of you don't want to do contouring because you are happy with your shape of your face, then this video is not for you guys. I am talking about those who want to look a little bit better and give their face a nice illusion with contouring. So this video is for those. So let me just talk about the first product, which is actual a contour product. This is a contour stick and this is from Kay Beauty. So Kay Beauty is a brand of Katrina Kaif, and this is the first product of Kay Beauty which I have used, and I love this product, guys. And contour product are available in many variants. You will get contour stick, you will get cream contour, you will get powder contour. So these are available in these three variants, so you can choose whatever you want. One thing you have to keep in your mind, that if you are doing cream contour, you have to do it before setting your face with powder or compact powder. And if you are doing powder contour, then you can just do it after using your loose powder or compact powder. So this is a very important thing which you have to keep on your mind. And one more thing, guys, when you are choosing your contour shade, it has to be 2 or 3 shades darker than your foundation shade. So please keep that on mind. Choose 2 or 3 shades darker, at least 2 shades darker than your foundation shade. So I have picked up this dark shade, and this is from Kay Beauty, as I have said, and this is a contour stick and it looks like this. And I have just used it 4 to 5 times and the tip is gone. I have to sharpen it. So I have a negative point with this product because I have to sharpen it. I mean, I don't like the products which I have to sharpen, because in that case we waste more products. I don't like that. I like those products which have a rolling kind of system. I don't know what it is called. I mean, those products which you have to roll it and that tip comes out automatically. So I like that kind of products. I don't like these products which I have to sharp. Lots of product is wasted when you sharp it, so that's a negative point of this. But otherwise this product is 5 on 5, and let me show you the color. So this contour stick is really very easy to use. You have to draw your lines, and you can draw really very precise line on your face with this stick or any other contour stick which you will find in any website. So this contour stick is really easy to use. You can make any precise line, and those who like very precise contour, just buy yourself a contour stick. बिकॉज पाउडर कंटोर और क्रीम कंटोर में क्या होता है, उतना ज़्यादा प्रिसाइज लाइन हम ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते हैं अगर कोई एक्सपर्ट ना हो तो. If you are a pro at makeup or contouring, then you can rock with any product, whether it is cream or powder or stick, whatever. But if you are a beginner or you don't know how to contour or you like precise contouring, then I will recommend you these stick contours. So you can also use powder contour, and powder contour is available in single contour palette, or you can also purchase those duo or trio palettes which has a blusher and contour and highlighter in a single palette. You can just purchase those also. But I have a palette. This is a combo of highlighter, contour and blush, and this also has 6 eyeshadows, and this is from Swiss Beauty, and this looks like this. So you can just use this powder contour to contour your face, and this is a really dark shade, and I really like this. This is not as dark as the K-Beauty one, but you can surely build it up with your brush, and when you blend this K-Beauty one, this also will not be that dark. Let me show you. Just see guys, the K-Beauty one I blended and it turns out to light, and this is the powder contour. I don't know how much the camera is showing, but it really does a very good job when I apply it on my face. So guys, if you don't have a contour stick or a contour palette or any powder or cream contour product, so you can also do your contour with your eyeshadows. Yes guys, you heard me right. You can create your contour look, a really nice contour look with any of your neutral eyeshadows, and you have to choose the right shade. I mean, in most of the eyeshadow palette you will get a normal brown transition color which you can use as your contour shade. Suppose I have this palette from Wet n Wild, and this is a transition color as you can see, and I can easily use this transition color as my contour shade. Let me just show you, and this is really very pigmented as you can see. And again I have another eyeshadow palette, and this is from LA Colors, and this also has a nice brown color which again can be used as a contour shade. This is slightly lighter than the Wet n Wild one, but this is buildable. I have created my contour look with this one also, and that also was turned quite well. So guys, in most of your eyeshadow palettes you will have such brown colors, so don't worry if you don't have a contour palette or a contour stick. Just grab your eyeshadow palette and rock your look with contouring. And if you don't have a eyeshadow palette, or if you can't found a right shade of your contour, so you can also choose a darker shade of concealer and use it as your contour. And I have this concealer from, this is from Inside Cosmetics, and this is the product. And I have a concealer of this range, and I have picked up the darkest color of this range, and I have used it as my contour. And this is a cream concealer, so you can use it as your cream contour, and this is really very nice, guys. And this is highly pigmented, and the color is also very dark and perfect for my skin tone. And this has a nice brush kind of applicator at the top, so you don't even need a brush to apply it. You can just apply it as it is, and you can also blend it with your finger. But I don't normally like to blend my contour with my finger, because that doesn't give so much precise look. But let me just show you the texture. You have to squeeze it a bit and just look at the color. So you can purchase any darker shade of concealer and use it as your contour. So that is a great tip, guys. If you can't find a contour palette or a contour stick, and if you don't found it your pocket friendly, then also you can just invest in a good concealer. I mean a darker shade of a concealer, and this one is also really very affordable. I will also attach all the prices on the screen, so you can just check it out from there. And all the links of these products will be in the description box below, so if you want any of them, just go and check it out from there. So the next and the last tip which I want to share with you is lipstick. Yes guys, you can also create your contour look with lipsticks, and you have to choose any dark brown shade. I mean, you have to choose it as your skin color. And I have this dark brown color, and this is from I think, okay, this is from Color Bar, and this is a dark brown color lipstick. Let me show you the swatch of it. This is slightly on the maroon color, but you can use this as your contour. And again I have a brown shade. This is from Nykaa, and this will be even better for your contouring. Use this kind of color, and this is from Nykaa. So you can just use any lipstick if you don't have any contour palette, or if you don't want to invest in any contour product, whether it is a concealer or a stick or a cream contour, powder contour, whatever it is. If you don't want to invest in all those things, so you always have a lipstick in your vanity, just grab it and do your contour, and you will good to go. But guys, don't use any liquid lipsticks as your contour, as this one is a brown color liquid lipstick. And don't use this liquid lipstick or any kind of liquid lipstick as your contouring, because it will not be blendable easily. So I will not recommend you that. Just use any bullet lipsticks like this, and you will do your contour as a pro. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share your valuable comments with me. That will really make my day. And also share this video with your friends, and let them find out whatever they want to use as their contour product. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links will be in the description box below. Please go and have a look at those. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.